Big story, and it could be a shot in the arm for India's war on coronavirus. The Drug Controller General of India has given emergency use approval for the use of a new medicine called Virafin to treat moderate cases of COVID-19 infection in adults. Now, Zydus, the manufacturer of Virafin, claims that the drug will help patients recover faster and avoid further complications during the treatment of COVID-19. The company claims the treatment also reduces the need for supplemental oxygen in patients. Zydus claims that it conducted trials in 20 to 25 centers across the country, and in these trials, Virafin helped control lung respiratory distress, which is said to be one of the major challenges in treating COVID-19 patients. Those patients who were treated using the drug tested negative for coronavirus within 7 days, the company claims. Virafin will be available for use in hospitals on prescription of a doctor. It will not be available across the counter. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Sneha Mordani for more on this big development. Sneha, this would be great if successful. And what's the initial information that's filtering in? How soon will Virafin be available in hospitals?
You know, Gaurav, the best part about all of this is that this is a drug which has been repurposed. Essentially, it's a medicine that was being used in the country and outside also for hepatitis C. Again, it's a repurposed drug. By repurpose, I mean a medicine which already exists, but it has been changed in such a way, and the clinical trials have been done to see its effectiveness against a new disease, the new disease being COVID-19 here. Like remdesivir, for example, remdesivir, as we all know, is a repurposed drug, was being used for Ebola initially. It's been repurposed for COVID-19 now. So as far as production is concerned, that I do not think is going to be a concern. Yes, the production will have to be ramped up given the fact that this is a medicine that has now got approval for use in cases of moderate COVID patients. It helps in controlling pneumonia, is what the company is saying, and this is what the trials have found. It reduces the need for supplemental oxygen, which is the biggest crisis right now in the country because the patients are requiring more oxygen. As per the government's data also, the increase for oxygen has increased. Apart from that, it helps in reducing the number of days a person continues to be COVID positive. Within 7 days, the company says the trials found the patients were testing negative. It's also going to reduce hospital stay. So it's going to reduce the burden on hospitals. It's also going to reduce the kind of burden that we're seeing in terms of oxygen supply and the deficit that we've been seeing. And again, this is a drug, production of which should ideally not be a problem, given the fact that it has been repurposed and it's already being used in the country for hepatitis C. Having said that, we're yet to hear from Zydus on how they intend to then ramp up production and what are they going to do. But this gives us an option to reduce respiratory distress, which is a major cause of death and also severe infection in many cases in COVID.
Sneha, for the moment, many thanks for joining me.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.